everyone, Sam here from Vyron Electric Bikes, and today I was going to talk to you about our electric trike. So here it is, it's in the lovely blue. It's also available in a white as well. So why would you buy this bike? There's a lot of trikes on the market, as you can see. The advantage of this one is it's got 20-inch wheels. 20-inch wheels means everything's a little bit lower and there's a little less chance of actually toppling over. As you can see, it's got 3-inch tyres, so you can go off-road with this thing as well, which is a big advantage if you're doing bike tracks and trying to keep up with other riders. We've got a 48-volt motor here as well, so it's got about 80 Newton meters of torque, so you can get up almost any hill. As you can see here, we've got the battery, which is removable. It's a 13 amp hour, 48 volt, so you should get about 50 Ks, 60 Ks from this battery. The other kicker with this one is as well, it folds. As you can see, it's a nice folding mechanism. You've got another folding mechanism here. But look, this will actually fit in most SUVs and four-wheel drives if you've got one. And it'll just roll in. So therefore, you can take it to the parking and take it to the beach, wherever. And that's the thing with most trikes, is trying to get them around. This thing will do up to 30 Ks an hour if you want. It's really easy. It's got a throttle. It's got 7 gears. And it's really heavy duty as well. So look, if you're in the market for a trike, come and check it out. We do ship nationally, so these are $3,200 at the moment, so really good value compared to others on the market. And if you've got any questions, just give us a buzz. Thanks.